Bitcoin daily time frame. First we have this yellow chart pattern, and price has breakout outside this chart pattern. So this can be short term bullish sign for Bitcoin, and it has fundamental reason. When FOMC members said that Fed will raise only 50 basis point in December, dollar instantly came down and Bitcoin break to upside because this was a falling V chart pattern, and now it is breakout and price is trading outside this pattern, and it tested this horizontal support level 18,000 level, and it also made a double bottom near this horizontal support. So this was a bullish technical pattern. In our first upside resistance is 25,000 level. So if it does not stop after a sideways correction or counter trend retracement, it can make higher high, but target first will be 25,000 level, because since FOMC member has said 50 basis point in December, Bitcoin was giving bullish sign, and breakout confirmed that billionaire hedge fund are buying Bitcoin, because once bullish trend started, Bitcoin will again go higher than gold, and it is responding to those fundamental macro trend faster than gold. And if we see complete trend top to bottom of Bitcoin, when the stop was made to this complete bearish trend, when you do wave counting, everything become clear. This was the bullish trend when Bitcoin went up on Fed QE monetary policy. This was ordinary person buying Bitcoin in greed that they can become rich. This was FOMO buying, and this is Fed monetary policy, which we call QT, and it is coming down. And this can be a big flat correction on daily time frame of Bitcoin. And if we focus only on last wave, we can call it A, then correction B, and right now we are in wave C. And if this support break after FOMC or midterm election, then our downside target will be 12,184, and we have to wait for rejection on this support level. And if we see projection for wave C based on flat correction, then our support was 1.382 level at 18,840 level, and price is holding this support for several months. It is not breaking below that, it is making sideways correction but holding this support. And if Fed gave signal for 50 basis point rate hike, that means decrease in rate hike size, then that will be first signal for end of Fed QT monetary policy, because first they will decrease rate hike size from 75 to 50, then they will stop hiking interest rate, which we call Fed pause pivot, then after will be rate cut, and it will be start when Fed will only hike 50 basis point rate hike. And Bitcoin has started showing some bullish sign when there was a small speculation for decrease in rate hike size, and if that happen, then it will break this range, and that will be first technical confirmation. In that condition, our first upside target will be 50% retracement of this last leg, and this is our strong horizontal resistance level, and it is near 32,913 level. So this is your technical support, and this is your resistance. And if you have entry at this support level, then your target is 50% retracement level. But for a clear technical trend reversal, we need breakout, then we will buy retracement. When it will retest this high after range breakout, then we will buy for long term. But for first we need clear trend reversal in Fed QT monetary policy, which is fundamental reason behind this bearish trend of Bitcoin. So this is your strong horizontal support level 18,840, and first resistance 32,913. These two are your key support and resistance level. Or if this support breaks after a FOMC meeting, then your next support will be 10,274 level. And if we see H4 time frame of Bitcoin for intraday trader, then this was our first impulsive wave 1, then this was our ABC zigzag correction which made 61% retracement level, and this information was available with a clear buy signal in our Telegram channel. And if you have missed this entry, then wait for correction, something like triangle correction, then you can buy, because after retracement we are in third impulsive wave, and this is our fourth wave, and right now price is going up in fifth impulsive wave. So this intraday 5 wave has been completed. Now wait for correction, then you can buy after correction end. But on H4 time frame, this white support level is your key support. Till it is trading above this support level, price is bullish for Bitcoin in short term, and you can target up to previous high at 25,000 level.